Residents of Novem, Verna, Nagwa and Lotelim villages have voiced strong opposition to the proposed waste management plant at Verna Industrial Estate. Expressing concern over potential environmental and health impacts, community members have united in resistance against the establishment to the facility. The opposition highlights growing local comprehensions and calls for reconsideration of the project feasibility and impact on the surrounding areas.
Survival, we will not leave this to go so at no cost.
High Court is there that every village has to have their own waste management setup. Some villages have done. Some of the villages which have not done have been fined. So what I would say is no to this plant, and whatever the expense that is going towards this plant, distribute with the villages for each panchayat to set up their own plant.
39 villages are going to come with their waste.
Okay.
And there are court directives. I need to give you small examples. There are a couple of panchayats which are breaking down their own wet waste into organic waste, and they are doing a very fantastic job. म्हाका दिसना की असले centralized system हाडून सगळ्यांचीच वाट लावपाची गरज आसा.
We have been pursuing this from the time they had proposed it even 2.5 years back, and right now, last week when there was a press note, we have got aware of how things are moving, and for that the constituents of Nuve constituency, in the recent press release from the Goa Appraisal Committee putting clearance for the solid waste management plant at Verna on hold, is a perfect case study of how government and its agencies operate in an ad hoc manner, showing scant respect to the law and due processes that are mandatory. It is interesting that GSEAC has instructed the project proponent, that is Solid Waste Management Corporation, to conduct new public hearings and collect community inputs. This is the community that stays in the periphery of this plateau. When no public hearing has been actually held so far on ground truthing conducted, if it had, then it would have been clear that the plant was being set up on a huge aquifer and is the origin of various springs that feed the Amblur Lake, which is a straight point of River Sal, starting point of River Sal, which runs through entire South Goa right up to Betul. It would have been noticed that the plant was being set up a mere 350 meters from human habitation, Lokvasti Asa, and nestling close to a number of pharma companies in this industrial estate. There are so many pharma companies. We depend on water, and this big project is coming in close vicinity to them. It is also strange that GSEAC has not questioned the cut-paste copy project report which is submitted by the project proponent, giving totally false details, misleading and inaccurate information. Despite constituents of Nuve constituency bringing it to their notice, we have called upon them with a delegation and impressed upon them about the facts and scientific repercussions of it. For instance, the distance between Malasa temple has been located at 10.7 kilometers when it is just 2.2 kilometers. So this is a false information. The actual distance in reality is not really given, and it is misleading. There is also a chapel standing 239 meters from the site, from there to here, of the proposed plant. Does the government of Goa believe that venerated religious structures deserve to coexist chick by jowl to a garbage plant? Arvind Sankar.
Pratima Coutinho has voiced concern over what she described stepmotherly treatment towards Navelim amidst ongoing issue in the constituency. She highlighted the pressing issue of escalating traffic, urging immediate attention from the authorities.
Guys, आमी आसा नावेली constituency म्हाका दिसता खंय तरी करेक्ट स्टेप मदली ट्रीटमेंट दिल्ली जाता. कित्याक म्हणटा हांव, कित्याक हांगा आसा सरकार ताजो जो आमदार हांगा आसा उल्हास तुयेकर बाब. You are the MLA of this Naveli constituency, but we feel that you are giving stepmotherly treatment. And why do I say this? Because the other day 3-4 दीस पयले 5 एक्सिडेंट जाले एक दिसा भितर. 5 एक्सिडेंटा भितर 2 खंय सिरियस एक्सिडेंट जाले. तितूंतलो एकलो आमचो तेलावलीचो भाव सोंपलो. दुसरे म्हणटा ते सिरियसली इंजर्ड, आनी 3 आनी केसीस आसा ते मायनर इंजरी. इवन खंय एम्ब्युलन्साक आपयलें तेन्ना खंय इट टूक लॉट ऑफ टायम, खूब डिले केलो खंय एम्ब्युलन्साक येवपाक. आतां हें जाता कित्याक लागून? हें जाता ट्रॅफिक कंजेशनाक लागून. यू ऑल नो इन नावेली वी आर एट द सेंटर 4 points near the Navili Church, in front of Navili Church the junction. I am in front of the Rosary school. Rosary school आसा, Rosary Higher Secondary College आसा. हांगा कॉलेज रोजरी कॉमर्स आर्ट्स सायन्स कॉलेज आसा. तशेंच म्हज्या फाटल्यान कितें आसा? पेपिच्युअल कॉन्व्हेंट स्कूल. सो हे सगळे सायडीन हे एज्युकेशन हब जाल्ले आसा आनी ह्या कारणां खातीर खूब सकाळच्या टायमार जेन्ना कॉलेजीक भुरगीं येता, हायर सेकंडरीक वचपाक भुरगीं येता, पेपिच्युअल कॉन्व्हेंट जावं रोजरी स्कुलाक भुरगीं वचपाक येतात, तेन्ना पेरंट्स पावपाक येतात, गाडीचें कंजेशन जाता आनी तेन्ना म्हाका दिसता खंय तरी दोनूच कितें तरी ट्रॅफिक पुलीस हांगा दवरिल्ले जाता. हांव मागता की हांगा आनी पुलीस फोर्स घालचो. एक्सिडंट प्रोन एरिया जाल्ली आसा. म्हजो एक अपील आसा की जे रोजरी आमचे स्कूल आसा आनी कॉलेज आसा थंय ह्या बाबतींत त्या ऑन द अदर सायड एंड दिस सायड एंड दॅट सायड रमलर्स घालचे. रमलर्स शूड बी पूट. आय एम टेलिंग नॉट स्पीड ब्रेकर्स आर रमलर्स. सो पीपल नो दॅट रमलर्स आर हेड एंड दे स्लो डावन. सेम अपेक्षा हांव करता PWD ऑफिशियलां कडेन, PW मंत्र्यां कडेन, नॉट ओन्ली हियर रोजरी कॉलेज एंड रोजरी स्कुला कडेन, इवन द अदर सायड पेपिच्युअल सकल स्कूल आसा पळय कॉन्व्हेंट थंय देखून दोनी सायडीन रमलर्स घालचे. आनी ट्रॅफिक आयज वायट दिसता की नावेली गांवांत आमचे थोडे भुरगे यूथ आसा ते व्हॉलंटियरींग करतात. स्कूल स्टार्ट जाता आनी काबार जाता तेन्ना. सो ट्रॅफिक मॅनेजमेंट शूड बी इन प्लेस. दुसरें म्हणटा ते ट्रॅफिक सिग्नल. तुमी पळयलां आसतलें ते दोन दुसरे आसा पळय सिंगल त्योच पेट्टात पूण मेन सिग्नल आसा ती पेटना. अरे यू हॅव स्पेंड crores of rupees on these signals but the signals are not functioning. हे कितें हेजेर कोणाचें लक्ष आसपाक जाय. आमदार हॅज टू लूक इन टू इट. PWD ऑफिशियल्स हॅव टू लूक इन टू इट. नावेली इज बिकम सारकें एक्सिडंट प्रोन एरिया. तशेंच सबवे केल्ली आसा. सबवे हार्डली कोण यूज करता. सबवे आमी कित्याक केल्ली? सो दॅट लोकांक ट्रॅफिकाक लागून त्रास जाता. सकाळीं 8 स्कुलाक वता त्या भुरग्यांक न्ही कॉलेजीक 1:30 2 त्रास जाता. सो सिनियर सिटीजन भुरग्यांक न्ही प्रॉब्लम जावपा नाका म्हूण सबवे केल्ली. पूण आयज सबवेचेर कोणाचें लक्ष ना. काल इतलें उदक भरिल्लें मातशें आमी बोर्ड केलें. आयज PWD आनी ऑथॉरिटीज आसा ते पळय सबवेचें उदक भरलां तें सगळें साफ करपाल्या. दीस इज हॅपनिंग बिकॉज दीस हे पळय हे भाजीकान्न आसा तांकां विचारात सगळें चोक जालां. सो द रेन वॉटर इज गॉन एंड फिल्ड देर. Sucking is taking place today, but then again there is nobody to look into that matter because सबवेयात खंय थंय लायट ना, क्लिनिनेस ना. थंय भुरगीं येतात सांजे टायमार सिगरेट मारतात, सोरो पितात आनी कपल्स बसतात. सो हाजेर कोणाचें लक्ष ना. सेक्युरिटी दवरूंक जाय. तशेंच हांव म्हणटा की सकाळीं 7:30 ते 9:30 हांगा हेवी फ्लो जावं ते ट्रक्स एंड हेवी बीग बसीस हेवी फ्लो जे ट्रॅफिक जे आसा तें स्टॉप करचें. तशेंच आफ्टरनून फ्रॉम 12:30 till the school students and college students go home till 3 o'clock, the traffic flow should be stopped. So my appeal is first put rumblers outside the colleges and school on both the sides. Secondly, subway should be maintained with cleanliness, with lights. With third, traffic congestion, the traffic lights should be functioning. Any more extra traffic police should be put there in force. And fourth, I सांगला तशें जे हें जाता कंजेशन जावपाक पळय तुजे सबवेचे आनी तुजे लायट ना म्हणून आनी हे रमलर्स हे सगळे म्हाका दिसता सरकारान चड उल्हास तुयेकरान हाचेर लक्ष घालपा जाय आनी जाता तितले बेगीन हो प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करपा जाय. कित्याक आमचे हांगा एक्सिडंट जावन भुरगे वचपाल्यात, सिनियर सिटीजन वचपाल्यात. उल्हास तुयेकर शूड नो वॉट इट इज. ओन्ली अ नियर वन एंड डियर वन फॅमिली मेंबर नोज वॉट पेन इट इज वेन फॅमिली डायज. Right here in front of Madison supermarket, I was being told by the boys there at the supermarket how that fellow ended up his life and how ambulance took so long. So Ullas Tuekar, this is your constituency, you are representing it. Please हाजेर लक्ष घाल. PWD ती सांगता आनी अदर ऑथॉरिटीज ऑल्सो हाजेर लक्ष घाल म्हणून आनी हे प्रॉब्लम बेगीचे बेगीन सॉल्व करचे म्हणून हांव अपेक्षा करता.